My name's Oscar Rodriguez, and I'm a student at LA Pierce College, and I am currently in the automotive service technician program. Vets that are transitioning out of the military should look into the ZEV program at Pierce. It's a one-year course, and the government will pay for it. I was a paratrooper, so I was in the airborne infantry, and I deployed to Afghanistan and Iraq. I was stationed in Alaska, so I was away from my community, which I'm trying to reintegrate in. Having places like LA Pierce College is actually a really cool place to help get integrated. And in my case, I'm doing it through automotive. EVs are here, and I'm excited to learn more about them. And I'm enrolled in this winter's ZEV program. I'm hoping to get more hands-on with the guidance of the instructors here at Pierce.
My name is Alex Vialta, and I am one of the full-time instructors here at Pierce College and one of the instructors of the Automotive Service Technology Department. Some of these electric vehicles, if the car gets in an accident, for instance, now you have to reprogram radars. You have to reprogram the sensors. You have to reprogram the alignment, because all these vehicles, they have 360 cameras that they communicate with each other. So a lot of the technology coming down the pipeline is going to be, once again, through programming or simply being able to communicate with these vehicles. Ultimately, the ZEV program will offer a certificate of achievement for the students to complete, and it will prepare them and enhance their skills for them to begin in this exciting and honestly lucrative ZEV arena that we're stepping into.
I'm excited about the ZEV program, and I'm ready to lead the charge.